Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Chiz, my pronouns are they, them, and I do things on here sometimes. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys some spring outfits, and I know it's a little bit late. I recorded this video like a month ago, and then it started getting hot here in California, and so I thought like I couldn't upload it anymore, and then now it's getting cold and raining again, so we're getting the video. Before I get into it, this is my plant of the day. This is a new thing, but I'm gonna act like we've been doing it for a while for the new people. It is my pothos plant. It was a gift from my friend's mom. I've had it for 4 months and it's grown so much and it's so perfect. It almost looks fake. Like, it's that good. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the outfits. As always, let me know which one is your favorite outfit. Mine is probably number 2 or 3, but I'm leaning more towards 3. And like the video if you liked it. Okay, now let's get into it. The first outfit is this one, and honestly, I consider this outfit to be neutral and monotone because green is a neutral to me. So here I'm wearing the striped tank top that used to be a dress. I got it at a free clothing exchange. And then the skirt that I'm wearing, I made it from cargo shorts. I am currently editing that video right now. It is taking a bit longer than I expected, but yeah. And those shorts didn't have a button on them, so I put a pink button and I think it looks cute. My Vans are just like gray Vans I got at Goodwill for $12, and I put black laces on them because I thought it made them look cooler. My my partner hates it though, so we'll see. And then my jacket was from the Goodwill bins, I believe, and I just put patches on it. This next outfit is runner-up for my favorite. I really just think it's so cute, and it's my first time trying on this top like properly ever since I made it. Here I'm wearing the top I made, which is also going to be in the DIY video that I'm currently editing, and my hat that you guys all know and love. And if you don't know and love this hat, we'll get to knowing it because it's not going anywhere. I made this hat and I have a tutorial for it on my page. My earrings are my can tap earrings that I made, and my necklace is just a ball chain with one of my earrings attached. And then the skull cuff that we all know and love. That's freaking degrading. My shoes are the denim flats that I have a tutorial for on my page as well. They're an upcycle that I did. I think they're my next most recent video, so check it out if you haven't. My jeans are just, I think these are the jeans I got for $2 at like Eco Thrift a billion years ago. So yeah. And yes, my necklace is just a ball chain with the earring attached, and I attached it the wrong way, so I fixed it now. Yay. Okay, now this outfit is my favorite. I don't know what it is about it. It's very basic. I'm just wearing a long sleeve and jeans, but it just feels really gender, and I love this top so much. I found it at the bins and somebody held it up and she looked at it and she just threw it back down, and I had no shame. I walked across and I freaking grabbed it because it's perfect. There's nothing wrong with it. It's in awesome condition. I don't know why she dropped it, but it was made for me. Big deal. The hat is by Lovemorg on Instagram. They're like an artist local to me, and I added some beads to it and stuff. And then this is my bag. This is my bag. I need to work on this bag. I want to put like a couple patches on it and stuff. My jeans are these big ass jeans that I thrifted a while ago for $8, and they're pretty cool. They have lots of pockets. And then my shoes are my Docs I got on Mercari. I think they're like the British ones or something. I don't know. But I really love them. My necklace is my mace necklace that I got from the Oddities Expo. Okay. Next outfit is this one. This one's just cute and basic too. It's just like this dress that I've had for years. If you are a long-term viewer, you know this dress because I wear it all the time. And you probably know this top too. I'm trying not to buy a lot of new stuff recently and just wear stuff I have. My wrist cuffs I got in LA and also in Nigeria. And then these apple-shaped glasses are so cute. They're a little too small for me, but I got them at Eco Thrift. And then my shoes are my Jaden Docs burgundy, and my socks are from this company called Foot Clothes. They sent them to me, and I really like all the socks I got. I didn't think they would send me all of them, to be real. Last but not the freaking least. Okay, this outfit. I love this outfit so much. Again, another neutral. Like, I'm matching with the fence right now. I really love this outfit. I love this top. I made this top also in the DIY video that I'm editing. It used to just be like a basic long sleeve checkered top, but I made it cool and the outfit worked out exactly how I wanted in my head. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm wearing the top I made, this Minga London skirt that they sent to me. And I'm also wearing like those tights, the fleece line tights that match your skin tone. My bag is a Coach bag that I got at a garage sale for like $20. And actually, my mom got it for me. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And it's not focusing, but whatever. And then we have the hat that we all know and love. And also the glasses that we all know and love from Shade Collective. I love these glasses very much. And then my socks are also from Foot Clothes, and I really love the shade of gray. The stripes are perfect. Everything worked out. And yes, I love this outfit very much. What can I say? Yay, we made it to the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment your favorite one and like the video if you liked it, or dislike it if you didn't like it. I don't mind. If you made it to the end of the video, comment a bunny emoji and a heart emoji. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and supporting, and I will see you in the next one, which should be soon. But I say that every time, and it's never soon, so bye!